Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. Thank you so much for always tuning in to watch my channel. Please, before we start this recipe, please do click the subscription button. If you're new in my channel, please do click on the subscription button. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, because I know you would certainly get the value you want in this video. So today we're going to be making fisherman soup. So fisherman soup generally is a soup eaten by the riverine people in Nigeria. That's precisely the rivers indigenes. So it's a simple soup you can always put together at any time you want. So basically it's about anything you can find in the sea. That's just what it is. So we're going to be using fish. I have croaker fish. I have snails. I have dried periwinkle, and I have this one. I actually don't know the name, the English name, but I think I'll drop it on the screen. So I have my crab, I have my whelks, and I have my prawns. So I'm going to be using stockfish and fish too. Then I have my cowskin. That's just an addition. Something additional I want to add to it. But precisely, this is just what you're supposed to use for the recipe. But I want to add this to the recipe. Okay, so you can skip that. It's not really important. So we're going to be using pepper for this. This soup likes a lot of pepper. That's the fact. So if you cannot tolerate it, just do as much as you can tolerate. The leaf we're going to be using is uziza and okazi. So you can either do uziza alone or you can do okazi alone. So let me grind the pepper and let's start the cooking process. So because my snail is dried and my periwinkle is dried, I'm going to add them at the same time. Remember, it's fish soup and it doesn't take long to cook. So I'm also going to be adding my crab inside. And I'm also going to add my whelk. Add salt. In hunger. I'm adding also, this blend is just pepper and onion with a little bit of ginger and garlic. So I'm going to add some water. So I'm going to add a little more water, just little, to bring it to a boil. So I want to use this water so that the seasoning penetrates into the soup more, into the ingredients. So I'm going to cover and I'm going to let it come to a boil. So let's check on it. So let's add the remaining of the sauce. Add a little bit water, a little bit of crayfish. We just add a little bit because we don't want the taste of the crayfish to overwhelm the food. So I'm going to stir. So I'm going to add the fish now. So I'm going to cover and I'll let it cook. So I mixed my thickener in here. So I'm going to be adding the thickener. I'm going to cover and let it cook. So my soup still has some time to cook. So I'm going to take out the fish so it doesn't scatter while I'm stirring it. So I've taken out the fish. I'm going to add my shrimp because this takes like 2 to 3 minutes to get cooked. I'm also going to be adding my okazi leaf at the same time because my okazi has been in the fridge for a very long time, so it's very strong. So I'm going to allow it to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to be adding in onga, just a little. Just taste for your seasoning at this point. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed up to this moment, okay? If you've watched up to this moment, it simply means that you are enjoying this recipe. Please do well to subscribe. So I'm going to be adding my okazi. My okazi has also been in the freezer for a very long time. That's why it's like this. So after 4 to 5 minutes, I've added the fish back into it, garnished it with a little bit of crayfish. Just give it 2 minutes, let the fish take the taste of the soup again, and the food is done.